Welcome everyone. I hope you are having a great day. In today's video, we will show you how to sync your contacts in the IMO app on your phone. Syncing contacts allows you to easily connect with friends and family who are already using IMO. First, open the IMO app on your phone. Next, look at the top left corner and tap on the profile icon. Then scroll down and select the option called Security and Privacy. Here, you will find an option labeled Add Phone Contacts. Click on this option to proceed to the contact syncing settings. After that, you need to turn on the Sync Contacts feature by sliding the toggle to the on position. After that, you will see a prompt asking for permission to access your contacts. Make sure to click on Allow so IMO can access your phone contacts. This will allow IMO to access your phone contacts and automatically display friends who are using the app. Finally, once the sync is complete, your contact list will be updated and you can easily start messaging or calling anyone in your synced contacts. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give the video a thumbs up, and share it with others. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.